Alright, this is the PowerTec planer that I've been using for about 12 hours. Used it a little bit yesterday and used it today. And going through some rough lumber, rough pine. Just taking about 2/16 off just so I have a little smoother, as it's rough cut. I don't want the fibers really. So let's hear how it sounds, alright? Ready? That is the sound of a catastrophic failure due to cheap materials and poor engineering, I believe. Doesn't feed, and yep, sounds like something is rattling around in there. No good.